Well, hello. Today, this video, I'm going to focus on beginners. So if you're new to my channel, check out my video. And if you like what you see, please subscribe. But right now, I have some coffee that has not been brewed. I will not give it to my worms because worms will not eat just regular coffee like this. So I have two options. I can either put this into my garden as fertilizer to attract other insects that are beneficial to my garden, or I can put it around my house foundation to help to deter ants from leaving their trail. So now let's talk about some worm bins, and I'm going to show you my worms. Alright, first of all, I want to say that I just did a video on shipping my worms to Las Vegas. This was my first attempt to sell worms, and I shipped them out on Monday, and a guy touched base with me and said he received them 5 days later on Friday. I was like, wow, that's a long time. You know, usually it takes about 3 days to get things shipped, but I think with this corona stuff going around, that everything's slowing down. So he says they were alive, but they were sluggish. So hopefully he'll do a video, because I'd like to see what they look like when they arrived, so that way I can keep learning, you know, and see what worked and didn't work and make things better for my next shipment of worms. So if you're interested, you can always purchase worms from me. So just let me know, have an email, you know, check it out, and we can go from there. And now if you're new to worms, I was just like you. I wanted to get a tote, and I wanted to get a clear tote. You don't need a clear tote because worms do not like light, so don't buy a clear tote. Buy a dark tote and drill holes in it, and I have plenty of other videos that can help you how to build a worm bin. And also, don't go out and spend a lot of money on these worm towers and all this stuff. If you're new, just start off basic, you know, and then when you become better and more experienced, then you can buy more expensive equipment to improve your worm journey. So on that note, don't go out and spend a lot of money. Just start off with basic totes. You know, like I said, a dark tote, not a clear one. And there's also videos on what type of bedding you should use. But for me, check out videos on how I build worm bins. I always try to help people and educate. Everyone's different. Everyone has their own thoughts and processes about things. But for me, my worms have been successful. So I'm happy with the results. So like I said, I'm not trying to deter you from spending your money, but save your money. And on that note, let's go look at the worm bin. All right, let's go ahead and look at the red wigglers. Let's see what's going on in here. Still active and alive. Like I said, if you're interested, go ahead and look me up for some red wigglers. I might have to reinvest in some more to help my population get bigger if I have more people that are interested in purchasing worms from me. But I'm gonna give these guys some food. I have some broccoli in here as well. I hear broccoli has a stinky odor, but I'm going to bury this stuff really deep into the soil. So let's give them some broccoli. I don't know if we put plastic in there, but that's definitely coming out of there. That's a no-go. That's a few things for them. I'm going to cover this up and give the rest of my leftovers to my red wigglers. All right, red wigglers, let's see what's going on in here. Or Europeans, I mean, if I didn't say euros, I meant euros. But they're doing well. They're multiplying. They don't try to get out. Nice castings. Just gotta show they're healthy. Let me go ahead and give you some food as well. Euros. Cover up the scraps. And that's about it for now. So if you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the box below. You guys have a great day. Bye.